Well, it's a disturbing new report. It's finding that popular breakfast foods, including some cereals and granolas, contain a weed-killing chemical that some health experts link to cancer.
Julie Watts has more on this new study. Julie?
You know, the research came out this morning, and this is actually not the first, though, study of this kind. It found trace amounts of glyphosate in oats, granola, and snack bars. Many had levels higher than what some scientists say is safe for kids.
We're very concerned that consumers are eating more glyphosate than they know.
The Environmental Working Group, Scott Faber, says his team tested 45 samples of products made with conventionally grown oats and found glyphosate in all but 2. If glyphosate sounds familiar, that's because it's the active ingredient in the Monsanto weed killer Roundup, the chemical at the center of last week's landmark $289 million cancer verdict.
Did Monsanto fail to adequately warn of the potential risks? Answer, yes.
A San Francisco jury found not only did glyphosate contribute to Lee Johnson's cancer, but that Monsanto acted with malice in failing to warn the Benicia School groundskeeper that its weed killer could cause cancer. The Environmental Working Group is the latest to test how much of that chemical ends up in the food we eat, and found what their researchers consider excessive levels in Quaker old-fashioned oats, Cheerios, Quaker Dinosaur Egg Instant Oats, Great Value Instant Oats, and Back to Nature Classic Granola Clusters. Glyphosate was also found in a few organic products, though most had non-detectable levels. The World Health Organization says glyphosate is a probable carcinogen. The state of California lists it as a chemical known to the state to cause cancer. However, Monsanto disputes that, saying in a statement, glyphosate does not cause cancer and has a more than 40-year history of safe use. Monsanto criticized the Environmental Working Group's research, saying even at the highest level reported, an adult would have to eat 118 pounds of the food item every day for the rest of their life in order to reach the EPA's limit for glyphosate residues. However, the Environmental Working Group is skeptical of the EPA's glyphosate limits.
We don't think it does enough in particular to protect children.
Now, in response, cereal makers Quaker and General Mills said that they do stand by the safety of their products. They note the glyphosate levels found here are below the limit set by the EPA and other regulators. You'll find their full statements on our website. We should also note that Monsanto denies that its product contributed to Mr. Johnson's cancer. You know, the Center for Environmental Health also did a study. They found glyphosate in, actually, at least levels of glyphosate in all of the cereals they tested. And, you know, I think the takeaway here is at least these two agencies would say organic. They didn't find these trace levels in most of the organic products they tested.
And those are big names. Cheerios, Quaker Oats, those are staples in most, you know, especially young families' kitchens.
Right, and of course the cereal manufacturers insist that their products are safe, and certainly these aren't illegal levels by any means, but these scientists are concerned.
Good to know about them.
Thank you.